Hi there everyone, this is DJ from GarageFan.net Academy, coming at you with another episode of CG Insight, fresh news from CGI industry. This time it's all about free assets for archviz. If you ever looked for good quality assets online for your visualization, stay with me, this one is for you. Does free always mean low quality? Not necessarily. Let's dive right into it. Every archviz artist finally hits that problem. The project needs to be finished, the deadline is coming, and more pre-made assets are needed. You can find lots of paid packages online, but hey, who doesn't like freebies? But when you look at free stuff, this is often what you get, stuck in a vast jungle of poor quality assets. But there are some gems you can find online as well, so let me show you some places where you can get those. First one is 3D Model Haven. You probably already know HDRI Haven or Texture Haven. Great sites for CC0 content. Guys behind the project have launched a new service with models this year, all high quality and all free. The library is not huge and rather game dev oriented, but you can find some nice assets there, even some gothic furniture pieces if you need those. 3db.it has a lot of free models for you to download. They are really high quality and render ready with PBR textures. There are paid ones and a subscription option for access to the whole library. If you're a Max user, you can also use the convenient app for drag and dropping the models straight to your scene. But you can make use of these assets in any 3D DCC. This is a sample of what you can do with it. By the way, 3db.it launches a really cool online challenge for 3D artists next week, featuring some high-quality food scanned assets for free that you can use to create tasty and creative renders of food. So if you waited for an excuse to have some fun with 3D food, now is the time to do that. Stay tuned for more info next week. There are some really cool assets on the Mantisa's website as well, so you can check them out. All CC0 licensed and good to use for your projects. By the way, if you haven't seen, we have a nice live stream with Mantisa on our channel. You can find the link in the description below. You can never just get enough of free models, especially high quality ones. However, if you are serious about archviz for commercial uses, you have to prepare to spend some cash. After all, preparing good quality models takes time and effort, and that costs money. But it can save you a lot of time and let you achieve professional high quality results faster, and this way earn more money yourself. That's it for this episode. I hope you found this stuff useful, and see you in the next episode of CG Inside.